Hello, myself Satnam Singh. In this session, we will discuss variation of specific conductance and molar conductance with concentration. Both the specific conductance and molar conductance of a solution vary with concentration. Specific conductance, which is the conductance of a 1 centimeter cube of the material, increases with increase in concentration, whereas molar conductance increases with decrease in concentration, that is on dilution. Specific conductance. Increase in specific conductance is due to increase in the number of ions per unit volume of the solution. In strong electrolytes, number of ions per unit volume increases in proportion to the concentration, resulting in rapid increase in conductivity. In weak electrolytes, increase in number of ions is due to the change in partial ionization of the solute, resulting in gradual increase in conductivity. Molar conductance of both strong and weak electrolytes increases on dilution. Molar conductance, which is the conducting power of all the ions produced by 1 mole of the electrolyte in a given solution. Hence, number of ions that are available for conductance increases on dilution. We can see plot of molar conductance against under root of concentration. Strong and weak electrolytes show different behavior. Strong electrolytes, variation is almost linear. Increase is due to weakening of the ion-ion interaction on dilution. Whereas in case of weak electrolytes, variation is very rapid. Increase in number of ions is due to increase in degree of dissociation of the electrolyte on dilution. Variation of specific conductance on dilution. Same amount of electrolyte is capable of furnishing a large number of ions. Therefore, increase in number of ions on dilution is much lesser than increase in volume of the solution. That is, number of ions per unit volume actually decreases. Hence, specific conductance decreases on progressive dilution, whereas molar conductance increases on progressive dilution. Thanks for watching this video.